Surrender to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and your all wants of life get fulfilled. Happy Eid to you all. The way of salvation lies in the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's feet. What you feed to your guest, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would feed you that only, so feel good. Too directionless, you show the right path and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would show the right path too. You help always needy and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's blessing will be on you. When you have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala near you, you need no one, you just transcend His company. Treat your neighbors like brother and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala treat you like His children. When you feel dark around yourself, just pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and you would see a light. Daily prayers to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could erase any difficulty of your life, so pray daily to Him. Always bow down to the Almighty Lord Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is your Supreme Father. There is only one way to make your life better and it's chanting Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala name every time. Thanks Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala whatever He is given to you. When you hold fast during Ramadan, hold it devoutly and away, even death could not break it. When you have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's miracle light on you, you don't fear death. Drink water too thirsty and you end up drinking honey from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's hand. With His grace, even you could walk on water. Devote your life to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's service. All action in your life that you are doing are because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's permission. Pay huge respect to Him and always bow down. Your every question's answer is there is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's shelter. Even the shadow of Him would enhance you tremendously. Never lie in your life and you would be sitting in the field of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the holiest place in the universe. Truth, loyalty, commitment and dedication to their services are the most high-held virtues in the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's eyes. Never sin and never break someone's trust and you would be hell. Just behavior according to the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's guidance and you will not realize when you have reached to heaven. The only grace and true love to pursue is to seek Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's blessings. And only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's service you could find the true meaning of the life. Devotion to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could pass you through any difficulty and problem of life. Never break your promise to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What you have made to Him, if you would be punished. When no one is with you, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is only always with you. May abundance of wealth, prosperity and happiness come to your life and home. With devotion to the only Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you could drink the nectar of the immortality. You neglect Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's command, the universe will neglect you. You helped others to rise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make you top in the world. Feel Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's love. You don't know the always He loves you. When troubles come, just say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name and all would go. Never doubt Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's decision for you. He has chosen best for you. Walk always on the right path. This path only leads to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's home. Not in this life, but pray that you always find Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's grace in every life. Evidence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's love is much greater than anything in this world. Flow with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's breeze, not in storms. With Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's blessed stick, you could cross every mile of distance. When you have the shield and sword of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, every shaitan of your life will be defeated. Lead the life as Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His is simple, graceful, full of virtues and blissful. Want to win and everywhere in your life, put every day fresh flowers in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's feet. And uncertainless you find certainly when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's hand on you. Always pay respect to everyone who comes to your door you don't know and which from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may come to you. A blessed flower from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is millions of worth. Life is a blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Make great of it. Don't fear of shaitan. Shaitan fears Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So many stones in your walk of life. Don't worry. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Almighty, is making you strong. When you have His grace, every door would open for you. You don't need anything in this world when you have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. On this special occasion, I wish Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala opens for you the door of success and prosperity. Warm wishes on Eid to you all.